Hey Pioneers, this is the machine tricep extension. The tricep is the muscle in the back of the arm, and extension is straightening them out. So when we use this machine, the seat adjusts like every other machine we have. Using the lever at the seat, pull it, and then you can move it up and down. You want to find a height that's appropriate for you so that your elbow is at the pivot point right here. This machine also has a seat on the back to help give you low back support. And to adjust the weight, you can use the pin for larger intervals of weight and these knobs to add smaller 5-pound intervals. When you get into this machine, because it has the back on the seat and the adjust is in the front, you're gonna have to step into it. And then there are rods to put your feet on. Grab these handles, line up your elbows, so it's gonna be really close to your face. And I'm gonna straighten out my elbows, keeping them on the mat the whole time. And extend or straighten out the elbows. And that's the tricep extensions machine.